guys, remember one thing, wear your mask always and keep your mask always to keep corona away. Okay? I'm removing my mask because nobody is here. I'm alone. So I'm just removing my mask. Okay guys, so let me come to the main point. Like many people want to travel for free around the world. Yes, many people say that they want around hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars to travel around the world. Not exactly. If you are more open, if you are more like flexible, you can travel world literally for free. I'm not saying 100% free, but literally for free you can travel anywhere around the world. Okay, I have divided traveling around the world for free into three categories. First one is the accommodation and the food. Second one is the transportation, and third one is the flights. So I'll talk about the accommodation first. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because I'll be making a separate videos regarding all the topics which I'm going to cover in this video. So go and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when I'm making a next video, guys. So I'll wait for 2 seconds. Okay, hope you guys have subscribed to my channel and welcome to my channel Engineering Travel. So first category, under category accommodation and food. I'll start with the fourth point and I'll come to the first point. Fourth thing is that woofing. Woofing is related to the organic farming where people will be doing the organic farming but they cannot hire people to do the help in their day-to-day farming. So woofing is a separate kind of a website where you can do woofing. In exchange they will give you food and accommodation. So they will set a time. You can just chat with them how long you have to work. They'll set a time like 3 hours, 4 hours or 5 hours in a day. You need to work during that hours and after that you just can go out and chill out, whatever you want you can do. So they'll have set of rules which you have to follow regarding that, and that will be very unique for each and every family like they are listening in the woofing. Third point which I am going to tell you is a very important one. So it's house sitter. House sitter where you can stay in a small house, big house, it doesn't matter, in a mansion as well, but house sitter means taking care about their pet animals, like there may be dogs, cats, or even aquarium fishes. So you need to feed them, you need to take a walk for them like cats and dogs. Whatever they insist to the owner, you have to do that. So in order to that, you can stay in their home, you can cook your food, you can stay how long, it depends upon how long they work. Sometimes they might go for 1 week, so it's depend upon, it's all listed in that website. So house sitters comes in the third point. So I'll be making separate video regarding this, so you can check it out in my channel later on. Second point is that workaway. Workaway is another community where people need specialized workers like plumber or electrician or somebody who knows in the farm something else. So if you are not a specialized worker also, if you have got some skill, if you are able to do some cleaning work also, you can exchange it. So there are people listed in that for workaway. So you can stay in that country, you can stay in their home, you can learn their culture, you can help them in those work which they want you for them. And in exchange, again they will provide you food and accommodation. Some people will provide you the local transportation like car or bike so that you can roam around nearby places, explore the places. Couchsurfing is the best thing for free travel. So Couchsurfing is a big community. It's not just an app. It's a community where people are open to share their property, literally for strangers for free. They only need to know about your culture, about your food, about your travel experience. Just share with them their house, and they might share with you with the food as well. So it's the best it's the best thing to do. But there is a lot of things you need to know about Couchsurfing because you get into Couchsurfing because it's just not sending a copied message to everyone. You need to personalize message while sending to everyone so that they will feel good. There is something called as reference in Couchsurfing, which I'll be talking about. Clearly in my coming videos. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. lot of disturbance. Sorry guys, this Hawaii is full of cattle. I'm sorry for that. Okay, let me go to second category. Second category is the transportation. It may be local transportation or it may be transportation from the city to city. BlaBlaCar. So BlaBlaCar is an app where you can register yourself. You can see where people are moving from point A to point B. If you are moving from same point A to point B, or if you want to get out somewhere in between that point, so you can use the BlaBlaCar. So you can register there. You can fix your tour there. So if someone is traveling from point A to point B, you will get a notification. You can just communicate with that and you can travel. So there is a couple of things to be noted in this, like it is chargeable. They might charge you for gas, whatever gas it needs to be from point A to point B, or sometimes people may be going from all the way from New York to San Francisco, driving from New York to San Francisco alone. So they want somebody to accompany them, so they may not charge you on the way. They would just need to be a person to be accompanied by them. So instead of traveling alone. So both way it works freely also. You can just wait and you can see. It's a great thing to travel and explore. You can meet a lot of amazing people, guys. Finally, we are going to first topic of this category, that is hitchhiking. Yes, guys, you all know hitchhiking. Hitchhiking is one of the best things to happen, but you will be meeting a completely stranger. You will be taking completely off, because most of people doesn't do hitchhiking because they will be meeting strangers suddenly. They don't know what they are going to do, what you will be facing. So there are a lot of, but be positive when you are traveling. Just be positive. There are a lot of people, amazing people. You can hitchhike. Just need to show like this to hitchhike, and they will stop the car. But only thing is that you might get a ride in just 1 or 2 minutes, or you might get a ride in 1 or 2 days. It depends. You need to be flexible. You need to wait for the right ride. So then you can meet amazing people. Sometimes they might take you to their home, and they'll give all the food, accommodation, and all these things, which is very surprising and which is very unique, which is only happening in hitchhiking. So safe hitchhiking, I am doing a special video on that. So again, you can subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Okay guys, so now we are dropping onto the final category, that is flights. So how can you book a flight with a very cheap? So normally when you see everywhere, it's very costly. When you go for a travel agency, it's very costly. They charge you after around a lot of money. So there's many apps where you can utilize the fluctuation in the flight rates actually. So that's what I'm going to tell. I'm going to tell in 3 categories. Again, I'm starting with the third one. Third one is that Momondo. Momondo is an application where you can book your flight, so you can know which you can select a particular month. You can be flexible. You only think to travel, you need to be flexible. That's the main motive to travel for free. Sorry for the noise, guys. There is a lot of cattle around here in Hawaii. So I'm sorry for that. They have been okay. So we are talking about the Momondo. So Momondo is an app where you can actually put a particular month, and you can see which flight is cheaper for this month and which place it is cheaper. So again, in that way you can book the flight. Second point, it is Skyscanner. Skyscanner, again, it's a very good app. I have been personally using the Skyscanner for many times. I booked many flights in the Skyscanner. It's very lovely application. It samples all the websites, which flight is cheaper, for which agency is selling the ticket cheaper from A to B, or you can just say, I don't know which place to travel. So you can put that, and it will show you from the point where you want to travel and which destination is very cheap. So you can book flight for that destination and which time it is cheaper. You can travel much lesser price. Okay. Finally, we are on to the final point. That is in flights, it's fare drop. I think many of you guys doesn't know about the fare drop. So fare drop is literally a new website. It was developed by renowned YouTuber Karen Knight. So they have developed this website, and once this website you need to register member, become a member in that website, TradeDrop, outbound from the US. So you can select the dates, you can select the date, give the tentative dates, and you can destination if you are traveling after 1 month, 2 months. So whenever the flight rates will be fluctuating, whenever flight rate will drop below your estimation, like you will be giving some rate that you want below $200 or $150. So whenever the flight rates drops below that, it immediately sends you a mail and a message so that you can book immediately once the fare drop. So it's very like you can travel from San Francisco all the way to Europe with $150 or $200. There have been many instances regarding that. I'll be telling, I will be making separate video regarding that, how you can book, what you can do, how you can save thousands of money around it. This is all the apps or the community which you can combine with, and you can travel the world literally for free. Every point from this, and I'll be doing separate video regarding this. So do comment whichever part you want to take me as a first video, whichever you want me to do a special video regarding that part. I'll be doing a first video regarding that. So thank you for watching me. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to know more about this travel for free, like this, I'll be doing more series. This is the first video of this series. I'll be doing more videos regarding this. So subscribe and hit the bell icon, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.